You have a hard time to create good scripts for your social media videos? In today's episode on new AI marketing tools, we are introducing scripai and we will create an Instagram Reel script with you, so stay patient. The reel will be about how to find the best beginner drone. So, in a nutshell, scripai is a simple, yet powerful tool that helps you to create great scripts with very little input through the power of AI and probably ChatGPT. Let's try it out and make a script for a social media video. This is really easy as you see now. You enter a title, for example, how to find your best beginner drone in 5 steps. Then you can specify more details in a short description, for example, find your best beginner drone in 5 steps. If you want, you can also add some keywords such as drone and DJI, which is a major consumer drone brand. You can choose the language, the tone of the script, and the timing. Wow, check out this result. This is so helpful. The tool tells you how to start, then it goes through all the 5 individual steps necessary to choose the perfect beginner drone. And let's be honest, even if it is not 100% what you have imagined, it's a great starting point and you can improve manually from there. Sounds pretty cool, but how much does it cost? scripai is free for now. However, maybe in the future they will have individual pricing plans. AI marketing tools are rising fast, so keep track by checking this playlist and follow Epic AI Tools.